Hi everyone, welcome to my new random unboxing video. So today I have something special for you guys. Um, so today's unboxing would be a new helmet. To be specific, AGV K3SV helmet. The box looks quite nice. This is the 360 view of the box. Now let me just straight get into the unboxing part. So let's dive in and see what's in the box. So first thing what you get is obviously the helmet, and let me keep this. So this is the helmet right here. Let me keep it aside for a moment. And so apart from that you get nothing. Oh, I have a sticker over here. This is quite a cool one. Our AGV. So this is quite a good sticker. So let me just keep this box aside. First impressions, look, the helmet looks nice. You actually can see the shape of this helmet, the sloping angle, the AGV logo. So let me just unzip this first and see what's inside. So firstly what I want to say is that I've already unboxed this helmet and I've quite actually set up everything, but let's just see what do you get with this helmet. So first thing what you get is this pouch, and in this pouch what you get is the firstly the AGV stickers, another. So this is a thin cover for the helmet. Another thing you get is manual. I guess we don't need this for now. Another thing is the safety warning and instruction guides. I guess we don't need that either. These are some other safety warnings and stops. We'll just keep it aside. So the other thing that you get with this helmet is this seal, the proof of authenticity for this helmet. Just this comes from the factory, I guess. And the other stuffs that you get are these. This is a small sticker, and these are some visor locks, in case, I guess these are some spare visor locks. So let me just put all of these things aside for a moment. And okay, I have the helmet right here. So this is the AGV K3SV 5-continent model. So this is how it looks, and this is how it looks. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention one thing. I also got a anti-fog visor with this, but I've already installed that, as you can see over here. It's already installed, so please mind it. It comes with the helmet for free. So this is the K3SP with the 5-continent print. Looks quite nice. The colors are so vibrant and it's bloody beautiful. Really performance. The AGV. I've got, this is the medium size, and this is the visor. For now I have a clear transparent visor, and this is double visor. There is a double visor mechanism just like this. Yeah. So I guess let me just peel off this visor. Nice, quite satisfying one. And let me also peel off the one on the inside. Wow. So this is how it looks. Quite beautiful. So yeah guys, I guess this is it for the unboxing part. let me give a 360 view of how it looks. So with this helmet you get 3 vents. One are these top ones, these top vents. The other vent is over here. You can close it and open it. The other vent is right down here. There are 2 vents, and you close and open this vent from over here down. There is a button over here. Yeah, that's open. So I have installed already, as I have already mentioned, I have installed the pin lock anti-fog visor. As you can see, the pin lock. Yeah, this is it guys. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.